What's happening, everybody? We're down here in Myrtle Beach, South Carolina to check out Magnolia's restaurant on 26th Avenue. Let's go find out what's on their buffet. Magnolia's restaurant at 26 is one of Myrtle Beach's coolest southern buffets. This one is also featured on our list of top 5 breakfast places that are open in the winter in Myrtle Beach. We'll put a link in the description down below. Go check that one out as well. This restaurant was originally the Anderson Inn before it was torn down. But in 2005, the Magnolia's Restaurant and Conference Center was built right here and is in the perfect location. As the name implies, they are located on 26th Avenue North, Ocean Boulevard, right across the street from the Atlantic Ocean. If you order from the menu, you can get things like breakfast plates, pancakes, and omelets. Or for dinner, there's appetizers, seafood, steaks, and more. But we decided on the buffet. Just take a gander at our delicious grits, bacon, and eggs. They serve all your favorite breakfast, lunch, and dinner items hot from the bar. It may be called country cooking, but they like to say good old southern comfort food. All meals to go are weighed, and there are set prices for breakfast, lunch, and dinner for eat-in or takeout, so check their website for any price differences. They are open 7 days a week, typically from 6:30 a.m. to 9 p.m. And if you stay at the Carolinian Beach Resort, which is 1 block down, you'll get vouchers to eat at this buffet restaurant. They also offer a conference room for meetings and events, wheelchair accessible ramp, and of course, plenty of parking on the side. And they offer full service catering all over the Grand Strand, as well as cool merch. So the next time you're in town and have a hankering for a country meal, try Magnolia's Restaurant at 26th for some good old comfort food, so you can keep beaching.